translation of product listings on Amazon. Selling internationally through the Amazon global marketplace is a smart move for any e-commerce business. To connect with global customers, translating your product listings, including images, is very essential. Why translation matters. Translating product descriptions and images enhances customer understanding and builds trust, improving conversion rates. Steps to success. Prepare your images. Use high-quality images with clear text for accurate translation. Utilize ImageTranslate. Upload your images, select source and target languages, and start the translation process easily. Review and customize. Check the translated text for accuracy and make adjustments using ImageTranslate's editing features to ensure seamless integration with your design. List on Amazon. Once your images are ready, log into Amazon Seller Central, create a new listing and upload your translated images. The ImageTranslate advantage. Using ImageTranslate for your Amazon listings enhances global reach and maintains consistent branding. Start your free trial today to unlock international opportunities. That's it for today's guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on AI tools and tech trends. Check out our channel for more tips on optimizing your e-commerce business.